Just look at this shit. I was in a trade last night and this motherfucker took me out break even. Just to now waking up and seeing this motherfucker run. But yeah, I knew this could happen, but you can see the vision was correct. We just took out the inducement right here. We tested this and price just reacted from it. And unfortunately took me out break even. And of course I sent this on Discord. I sent all my trades there. We also got a poker game in a bit. We'll be gambling our 100k accounts. But yeah, of course I send it. It was sent as a signal for anybody that wanted to take it. Again, you can join this Discord. It's free. Link is in the description. And yeah, you can see it all on live with the timer and the progress of it. But yeah guys, today we'll be talking about why trading one pair will 10x your results. And for one, you'll be more focused at it, so you won't lose any opportunities. But most importantly, the second reason is you'll become familiar with it. You'll know your pair like the back of your hand. And when you see me on backtesting and I do 100% win rate, for example, it is a big of a deal, but I mean, it is what you want to, like, how do I say it? It's not that special, but it is kind of special. But in a sense, I'm just trying to say that I know the pair. Like, I've been backtesting for hours and hours, days and days, like being so unprofitable, banging my head to the wall. Like, this shit just comes from work and knowing your pair and backtesting like a madman. And just get to know your pair. Because, you know, like, I only trade EU and GU. But they move kind of similar. And before I had a GU, I was only on EU. Then again, they move kind of similar. And because they move kind of similar, when they're in optimal zones, it's usually both of them because they move kind of similar again. But I'll only trade one that will give me the better setup, that will have the best chart. Sometimes guys trade multiple pairs and it's even similar pairs. Again, I've seen guys trade EU and GU and they take buys at the same time. But then they say my risk management is 1%, and I have risk management, but you're risking actually 2% because you're taking buys at the same time in pairs that move basically the same. So once you get stopped on EU, you get stopped on GU. So you didn't risk 1%, you risk 2% on the same position, basically. But yeah, before I had a GU, I was only trading EU. And even at a GU is like I trade one pair and a half, for example. But even then, sometimes I'm so focused on EU that I lose opportunities on GU. It can happen. It happens quite a bit. But yeah, you'll need to know your pair. Because for example, EU gives out a lot of traps. EU is probably the most traded pair, forex pair. And it gives out a lot of traps. Like here. You'll see price from the support. We took out this liquidity. Okay, Asia highs and this liquidity right here. We took this out during news. And then there was another news which is retail sales, I think. Price dropped down. Price dropped down to make efficiency with the price. Drop on a daily, yeah. On a daily order block. Okay. Price dropped to those levels and gave out a reaction. It broke a small little structure right here. Okay, you can see price was dropping. Boom, efficiency came up. Now we took out the support resistance traders right here, and now the smart money traders are interested. And you make efficiency of the price. It all looks clean. Let's play the retracement right here. All this imbalance from news, and let's trade here. And price takes them out. And because I know EU likes to take everybody out, I only place myself after everybody's been taken out. So I wait for price to do another liquidation to take smart money traders out. Again, everybody's out right now, and even gave out another small little reaction. Did a breaker right here. Price is going up. I got the inducement right here. It even tested the small little minutes order block. In this case, it was a 3-minute. It tested it and it ran. It ran my way. Again, I was taking out break even, but the vision is being respected, and I can guarantee you. 5 minutes, please. I can guarantee you, we're giving out traps right here. We're making a break of structure, but this is actually becoming a smart money trap. Again, we got the London opening like trap timing. Price is gonna either take, excuse me guys, either take these out, then take these out, and then give out the movement, which can be to down, to go up here. Maybe I'll sell here, and boom. Or maybe I can even sell here to take profits here as a scalp, to play the MSU, to play the traps. Because I already know if we come here, first of all, we gotta come here to this secondary high. This is nothing. This is liquidation, is inducement. We're incentivizing traders to place themselves around here on this order block, because we did some initiations with break of structure right here. They will be taken out, and then these people will think we're actually bullish, and they will be taken out. And then maybe one of these moves will happen. And this only comes due to backtesting, due to experience, due to fucking knowing the pair. And unless you're like a swing trader, I mean, you can have like 8 to 10 pairs because you need the opportunities and stuff. But if you're trading lower time frames like me, you can't be looking at 5 different pairs. You gotta focus on one. And you got to know that pair like the back of your hand. That's how you can get the best results. Okay, this is just a small example. Just a quick little video for you. Focus on one single pair and backtest the fuck out of it. If you're in the beginning stages, try out different things. But as soon as you see some results, or like your mentor is trading with one pair, just like adopt the strategy to the same pair and focus on it, please. Okay, if you're a gold trader, only trade gold. If you're trading EU, only trading EU. Focus. Like, why you try to trade other pairs when you haven't even mastered one? Okay, master the fuck out of it. Like in business, only focus on one thing. Once you focus on one thing, you become a master at it. It's way better than becoming a bit good in different aspects. Like the Bruce Lee saying, I fear more the man that practice one punch 10,000 times than the man that practice like 10,000 punches one time each. Something like that. Again, guys, trade one pair that will 10x your results, and that's what you want. Okay? So, yeah, see you on the next one, and peace out, boys.